Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default map to Waze on the Shipt driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to drive for Shipt, and every time you set the directions, you want it to be set to the Waze app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner. Next, click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner again, then scroll down and then click on Preferences. Now here you're going to see your preferred Maps app. You can select between Google, Apple, and Waze and select Waze. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your map to Waze on the Shipt driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.